spinning in a scat. I'm a real doing donuts. Till the feds stop chasing us, they gotta catch up. Running through the lights and reels, got the rainbow guts. Smoking out your street, I'm so lucky and I'm blessed up. Don't like the Batmobile, put some red on it. Pipes roaring down your block, scaring everybody. Baby, this head cost, you can tell I ain't like everybody. Ain't anybody, they pull up and they gon' know it's real.
YouTube 392 real. You feel me? I'm back with another one, boy. We don't know what the day is, so I was about to go attempt to go install these lights. You feel me? Got them all safe and tucked away. I am forgetting. You know, gotta be safe with it. Gotta put the seatbelt on, you feel me? But, you know, we on the highway, we on the way there right now. See, I got that Hell Commander on. That wind booster. Kit from lightingtrendz. Should be just an easy install for real. We just gotta get that bumper off and all that, and get the doing some little extra shit. Shouldn't be hard, should be quick and easy. So let's go ahead and make this happen. Get to it. I'm gonna just go ahead and hit y'all back up when I get there. I ain't about to drive and be recording. I don't like doing that. Plus, I ain't got the little mount for the window. I don't trust it. So yeah. I got it in track. Race. I'm telling you, it's a mug hit. You see, it's just too ready. Too ready. Too ready. Yeah, hear them lures back there. I still gotta get that cap back there and get that fixed. So I'll probably, that cap don't come. I had to order it off eBay, so it don't come until like May or whatever. Not May, but I'm at the end of the month. End of February, I should have it. That shit back there, that shit's annoying as fuck. That shit too fucking annoying. Hate that vibrating noise, man. It's just not rideable. So it's like you gotta have the music up or just not be speeding. See, I'm going 60 right now. By the time I hit 65, that's when they get to hitting like that. But yeah, I just wanted to show you how this, hey, I'm telling you, I can charge this little wind booster. It worked. Yeah, I'm hitting y'all back up when I get to this. Man, I didn't have to swoop over to Gilbert's. I forgot he had my key. Can't take out the room without the key, you know. I didn't put up on Matt. He detailed on the nice little SRT Jeep. I'm guessing this is 300. That motherfucker look nice too. I miss my 300, man. Check out my Instagram page. You see my white one that I used to have. Oh yeah, look at him. All right, y'all. We back on the mission. Back on the mission. Hit y'all back up when I get there. I don't even know which road this is. I'm gonna guess to the right. This motherfucker not updating. Nope, other way around. Oh, nope, just turn left. Okay, we good. We good. I know they like, where the fuck he at, man? On the way, buddy. On the way. Damn. I love Hell Commander. Yeah, sure. Got it going up over here. Look at that, he ain't updated. Damn. I think I need to tell Curly to put my Facebook on my icon now. I just updated my shit to do my Facebook, but I never like told him to do it on here either. I forgot about that. My page lane though, it's hard. Can't get that Facebook page jumping for real.
Shit ain't coming down the truck.
Hell nah. I thought I sent you that retarded guide. But it's only, I mean, they literally just told you to just plug the shit together.
It'd be important, so this is what I wanted to see. This is gonna be the longest to hook up. Once we get it all drilled in, running the wires ain't hard. But... So you gotta install this motherfucker.
Yeah, the
And
controller.
this syncs to your phone.
Yeah,
It all syncs together.
that's the Bluetooth controller.
Damn, bro, that's annoying.
Flow, 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 flow.
Alright, I wanna hook this up first.
Oh, alright. Dun, 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 dun. Color Works. I mean, they own by they the same company. Oh, that just hurt me.
Dirty.
Hellcat mode. That boy fast right
Where's
there.
your power hookup? Do you really want me to hook this up to your fucking thing?
My thing is, I've never seen.
Because I thought these things, when you hook up these,
I've never seen where it's actually at. Cause remember when we took my bumper off the first time, I never actually looked for it. Yeah, let me look at that.
when you hook these up, what'd you hook them into?
They
They need the
put
power
right
somehow. They just plugged into there?
Yeah, but them that's not gonna plug into her like that. That has to plug into whatever the fuck's in here.
That big ass box in here?
Yeah, it's a box in there. I can't see it. Let me see.
So she's down in here, huh?
Yeah.
Make everything difficult as fuck.
Blame my man Gilbert. Yeah, already smell it. Fuck, I forget his name. That dog.
That dog?
That dog.
Oh, you hear him sniffing?
Yeah.
Put him out. Come on, buddy. Come on. I know, come on.
Come on, bud.
Look who it is. It's Rio.
Hey, boy. Alright, let's go ahead. I'm gonna wait till we get to it, get somewhere with it. Get into it. Yeah, no, it hurt, man. My body hurt.
We got the big boy coming up now.
The big boy. Yes, sir.
Fuck her up.
Yes, sir. My sword.
This is data out. She's going in this way.
Alright, alright, alright.
Now this one is gonna be fun.
Yeah, that's gonna be terrible. So we might just hook them up and then call it a day and then wire them up later. Yep. Alright, it's been the next day. We have to get the rewiring going. Doing that now. So we got this side going, but we still gotta get, hook up that side up. Still haven't did that, so we gotta put these wires in the fender well. I'm about to go ahead and do some work in now. Get to popping out these rivets. Cause we gotta get inside. Oh, that motherfucker's gone. I ain't gonna lie, these motherfuckers is beautiful. That's hidden. That's gonna be looking good as hell at night. So after get wired, we should get it all wired up and get it done how it's supposed to. Lightingtrendz hit me back up and gave me a full installation guide and text. It's because we had the dues hooked up and we weren't supposed to have that side hooked up. Only the ends basically. I'm not explaining for real. You have to ask them yourself. I'm not an installer. So, all right, this is why I don't like doing my own work. Oh yeah, I'm getting off this GoPro. Yeah, I'm about to hit y'all up later.
Where's this toy? You brought this toy out here.
Wait, man. Remy. What's up? All right, let's go ahead and show off these underglows. God damn. Front, back, side. Oh, I like what you're doing. Oh yeah. That ain't customs, man. Oh man, just need to put this shit on here. Ah yeah, we looking good, y'all. We looking good. That's nasty. It really is. Big shout out to this guy right here, man. He does it all. Oh my God. They ain't gonna like me. Promise you. It's gonna be a fun summer. Real fun summer. But yep, we got them working, so we good. And I'm gone. Alright, this is the final product for sure. Got the car down and gotta show y'all. Hey Remy. Show it one more time for y'all. That's just nasty. And it's perfect.
Hold on.
Yeah, bro. Alright, let me come all the way around real quick before you do your boomerang. Yeah. I don't know what I'm gonna do next. Do some next shit. That just looks good.
Spinning in a scat on real doing donuts. Till the feds stop chasing us, they gotta catch up. Running through the lights and reels, got the rainbow guts. Smoking out your street, I'm so lucky and I'm blessed up. Like the Batmobile, put some red on it. Pipes roaring down your block, scaring everybody. Baby, this head cost, you can tell I ain't like everybody. I ain't anybody, they pull up and they gon' know it's real.